Hey there, I'm Jenn HERMAN with Jenn's Trends. And if you've ever wondered how the Instagram Explore page works and why certain content shows up, this is the video for you. I'm going to break down how the Instagram Explore page algorithm works. First things first, it's important that you understand the algorithm sorts everything for you. It is 100% individually tailored for each and every individual user. If you open up the Explore page, sitting in a room with 5 other people, 500 other people, doesn't matter, none of you will see the same content. It is completely customized for you based on your interactions on Instagram. So the types of accounts you follow, the types of content you interact with, the things you most watch on the Explore page, that is what you will see more of. So for the record, if anybody ever tells you that they can promise that your content will show up on the Explore page, they are a snake oil salesman that you do not need in your life, because nobody can promise that. Because there's no way to guarantee content into the Explore page, and you can't guarantee it for any certain number of people for sure, because everything is customized. And it is a smart algorithm, meaning if you don't like what you see in the Explore page, start doing certain things. It'll learn, it'll give you more of what you teach it. If it shows you a video and you watch that video, stop, pause, watch, then you're going to see more of that type of content the next time you log into the Explore page. If you interact with certain types of accounts more frequently, maybe in a certain industry, a certain niche, you're going to see more of that the next time you log into Instagram and go to the Explore page. It is smart. It is adapting. What you see is because you told it that's what you wanted to see. That's what you're searching. That's what you're interacting with. So that's predominantly how the algorithm works. It's going to go off of your behaviors. There are a few other things at play, including popularity of a post with both followers and non-followers. So if you as a brand or a person are creating content, your followers are going to interact with that content. I'm assuming they like you. That's why they're following you. But it also is important that non-followers like your content, because most people on the Explore page that are going to look at content is content they're not already following. So if your content does not perform well with non-followers, it's less likely to appear on the Explore page. So how do you get non-followers to find your content? Hashtags, locations, things like that that allow other people to find you in various search results will actually get your content to rank higher with those non-followers and will increase your chances of showing up in the Explore page. If you want help with hashtags, I will link in the caption of this video to my super secret hashtag recipe that I tell everybody that will help you with hashtag success on Instagram. So you want to get your follower likes up, you want to get your non-follower likes up as well. This doesn't have to mean thousands of likes. It just has to mean that when people who don't currently follow you see your content, they're more likely to engage with it. That's a positive ranking and can help get you into the Explore page. Timing and saturation is also a consideration. I follow a lot of royal family things. I'm kind of obsessed. I know, it's okay. Guilty pleasure over here. So I see a lot of things about the royal family in my Explore feed. Now, if Meghan Markle walks out her front door and there are photos of it, I'm not going to see all 4,000 photos in my Explore page. The algorithm will have to determine which select ones to show me, and because there's so much going on, it reduces the chances of other people's content with the similar feed, the similar purpose, the similar types of accounts, all showing up at the same time. It's saturated. Now, if it's a thing that's going on and there's not a lot of other content about it and it's something I'm interested in, higher chances of that content showing up in my Explore feed. So keep that in mind when it comes to the type of content you're creating and whether or not it can show up in the Explore page. Finally, as this all ties up, there is actually artificial intelligence at work. So the artificial intelligence behind the scenes is looking at each and every piece of content on Instagram to determine if it should go into the Explore page. So whether or not you've tagged certain things, used hashtags, tagged people, used certain terminology, there's also the artificial intelligence that is actually looking at that image or that video to determine what components are in there, who's in that image, what type of people are in the image, what type of product or item is in that image or video, and determining what to show you in the Explore feed. So in general, that is how it works. It is heavily focused on you as an individual user. Again, things popularity in terms of followers, non-followers, saturation and timing is an issue, and then artificial intelligence. And really, that's all there is to it. But that is why it is impossible to guarantee your placement into the Explore feed, because everybody's is different. I hope that answered those questions for you and made this make a little bit more sense. If you want help with your Instagram strategy and how to craft content that actually builds your business, helps you actually drive conversions and results, whether that be sales, signups, promotional offers, whatever it is, I would be happy to work with you. You can always find out more at jenstrends.com/services. And I would be happy to work with you and see how we can build your Instagram strategy. I will see you in the next video.